All right, time to get your portfolio queries checked. I have with me Pankaj Mathpal, who is the MD of Apna Money Managers. Pankaj, hi, good evening and welcome to the show. And we have our first viewer also connected. I think I have Girish from Bangalore. Okay, I just got to know that he disconnected the call, but then not a problem. I have Girish's question on me. SBI Small Cap, PGIM India Flexi Cap, Axis Large and Mid Cap, Parag Parikh Flexi Cap, Canara Bank Mid Cap also. He's been investing through SIP in these funds. And he says that he can take risk, thinking of taking one more SIP, which means he wants to add one more fund. And what would that fund be? I mean, it'll be nice if we can have Girish on the phone line again, but then just in case we don't have him, fund selection, too many funds and over diversified in specific market cap category. Pankaj, what will you say?
Kavita, good evening. I agree with you. See, for 5,500 rupees per month SIP, he has 5 funds, and there are 2 flexi cap funds, as you can see. So, at least, miss, my suggestion, he should not add any fund now to his portfolio. If he wants to increase the amount, he can top up Parag Parikh Flexi Cap Fund or Axis Large and Mid Cap Fund, but no need to add any fund. All the funds where he has invested, he can stay invested.
Okay, do I have Girish on the phone line with me? I don't think he's there, but then, okay, we hope that he's noted this particular suggestion. Okay, let's move on. Let's take Hardik's query now, Pankaj. Okay, so he's been investing in Motilal Oswal Mid Cap, Parag Parikh Flexi Cap, Nippon India Large Cap, UTI Multi Cap. And he wants to add one more large cap and add Bandhan Small Cap also in his portfolio. And okay, that's all. He's a lump sum investor looking to invest around 10 to 20 lakhs.
See, okay. Hardik mentioned that he can take risk. Already there are quite good number of funds in the portfolio, but because horizon is 10 to 20 years, what he mentioned, so definitely Bandhan Small Cap Fund can be a good choice for long term. Along with this, I suggest that instead of adding one more large cap fund, he can consider one thematic fund, which is basically ICICI Prudential Thematic Advantage Fund. In this thematic advantage fund, because he'll get advantage of multiple themes in one fund, so that can be one good addition to his portfolio. And all the existing funds, what he has, he can continue with them. And he can top up Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund and Parag Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. So existing all funds. In addition to that, I have told him one more fund of suggesting, that he can do.
Okay, I think that will be all. That's the time we have for our viewer query section today. Thank you so much, Pankaj, for being on the show and helping our viewers with their financial portfolio queries. Thanks. But then before I sign off, from the corridors of power to the streets of our cities, one issue is uniting concern across the spectrum. Relentless heat waves becoming the new normal. The IMD has issued repeated orange and red alerts, with Delhi recently recording what feels like temperature of 52 degrees Celsius. While actual numbers of impact on health due to such extreme weather conditions are unreported, hospitals are reporting a surge in heat strokes and dehydration cases. These consequences of global warming is now a central focus at the second edition of the Times Network India Climate Summit, where heat waves and climate disasters are at the top of the agenda. Join us on June 27th in Delhi as leaders and climate advocates come together to pave the path for a sustainable tomorrow. With that, it's time up on the Money Show as well. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.